Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to see someone's likes on Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply search for the profile that you want to see the likes. I can already open the profile, so you can just simply scroll down the profile, scroll down, and here you can see the likes that is below, that is bottom left corner of the post, and it is the way you can see someone's likes on Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.